To get started with the Pocketguard app, first download and install it from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and sign up for an account by providing basic information such as your name and email address. After signing up, link your bank accounts and credit cards to the app by selecting your bank from the list of supported institutions and entering your login credentials. This will allow Pocketguard to track your income and expenses. The app's main dashboard displays your current balance, income, and expenses, giving you a clear picture of your financial situation. You can also set a budget by categorizing your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. To track your expenses, go to the Transactions tab where you can view a list of all your recent transactions. You can also add manual transactions if some are missing. The app will automatically categorize your expenses, but you can also customize the categories to fit your needs. Pocketguard also offers a feature called In My Pocket, which calculates how much money you have available for discretionary spending after accounting for your essential expenses and savings goals. To make the most out of the app, regularly review your budget and transactions to ensure you are on track with your financial goals. You can also use the app's bill tracking feature to stay on top of your bills and receive reminders when payments are due. By following these steps and using the Pocketguard app consistently, you can gain control over your finances, reduce unnecessary expenses, and achieve your long-term financial goals. The app is designed to be user-friendly and provides a comprehensive view of your financial situation, making it easier to manage your money and make informed financial decisions.